Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Curve Finance positions back to USDT step by step clearly. To withdraw from Curve Finance positions back to USDT, first ensure you have a compatible wallet set up. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Curve Finance website. Connect your wallet by selecting the Connect button in the upper right corner of the home page. Choose your wallet type from the available options and follow the prompts to complete the connection. Once your wallet is connected, locate the Pool section on the main menu. Click on this section to view your current liquidity positions. Find the specific liquidity position you wish to withdraw from. Select the position to reveal its details and options. Look for the Withdraw button and click on it. You will see a slider or input box allowing you to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Adjust the amount to your desired level, keeping in mind any withdrawal fees. Check the box for any relevant confirmations, if prompted. After confirming, click on the Withdraw button to process your request. A transaction confirmation window will appear, showing the details of your withdrawal. Review the information carefully and click on Confirm to proceed with the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain. You can monitor the progress in your wallet or through a block explorer. Once the transaction is complete, head back to your wallet to check your USDT balance. You should see the USDT reflected in your wallet following the successful withdrawal. If needed, repeat the process for any additional positions you wish to withdraw from. Be sure to keep an eye on gas fees and transaction times, as they can vary. Finally, ensure that your withdrawal is successful and your funds are secure in your wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.